How to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be covering exactly that. It is going to be step by step, and it's going to be very simple. So you can just follow along, and it's going to be very easy to follow. So the first thing that you will need to do is just go ahead and open up your Squarespace website editor, and then from here, we will basically need to go to the pages section here. Now, you may be familiar with the main navigation option here. Basically, whatever page that you put in the main navigation is going to show up in the top here of our website, which is basically the main navigation. So let's just go ahead and put these up here to show you what I'm trying to say here. So you can see here, all the pages are now on the main navigation. Now, this is cool and all, but at the same time, sometimes we want to put up many different pages on the top, but at the same time we don't really want it to be too crowded, and this is when the drop down comes handy. So we can just go ahead and add a drop down. This way we don't have a very crowded main navigation, and it's just going to work well with our website. So to do so is very simple. I'm just going to drag these down here, and basically I'm just going to create a drop down for these three different pages here. So we will need to go to the main navigation tab, click on the plus icon, and then from here we will basically need to find the drop down option. Just click on that, give it a name that is going to be suitable for the actual drop down. So I'm just going to be naming it test drop down, and we can just go ahead and click away or hit enter for it to show here. So we can see test drop down now is on the top of our page, but still we don't really have anything in it, so it's not really going to be working. So to actually go ahead and add these pages, you can basically just drag and drop it right underneath it. So it's going to be between the test drop down and between the add page. So we can just go ahead and add more pages here, and the last one over here. And just like that, we have a drop down with three different pages, and we can actually see it live over here. So just hover over the test drop down or whatever name that you actually gave it, and you can see the pages that are underneath it, nested between the test drop down and add page button. Also, you can click on the add page, and you can actually add or create a blank page. You can add your store, portfolio, events, videos, links, and so much more within this drop down. So you can actually feel free to do so. And if you want to add more pages like next to it rather than underneath it, it's also very simple. So I'm just going to use this as an example. To do so, it's very simple. Either on top of the test drop down, and it's going to show to the left of it, or for the case of this website, is going to be underneath, or we can actually go ahead and make it below the add page button, and we can just minimize this if you want. And this is basically all you need to know for how to create a drop-down within Squarespace. It's very easy and simple. You can create another one from here, from main navigation. Again, just create another drop-down, but you cannot have two drop-downs within each other. So you can't create a drop-down over here. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.